In this lesson, we'll review an improving the sentence problem. It's part of the writing multiple choice. We're on page 775, question 11 out of 11. This is a difficult problem. Readers of the novice writer's recent book have said that it is at once frustrating because of its chaotic structure, but its originality is still a delight. So we have to find the correct version of this underlined section, and we have the answers, but if you've watched these lessons previously, I always recommend trying to predict the answer and then looking for it. It just makes it more efficient, and you have a better command of the rules. So we have the recent book, the readers of the book have said that it has two qualities, and we see at once. So that implies it is once one thing and another. Now, we've said over and over, if you ever are listing two traits, two characteristics, this rule can never be violated. The two parts must be parallel. Most of the time, you'll join the two with an and unless there's contrast. Could be a but, or it could even be a with a different preposition depending on the verb. At once implies contrast, so you're really just listing two items and they'll be joined by an and. But even if you didn't know that, the rule that can never be violated is parallel structure. So let's take a look at the two characteristics. The first one, this is not underlined, so it's correct. It's frustrating, so I'm going to put an underline here. I'm going to put an adjective. It's frustrating. And then we have this phrase, because of its chaotic structure. Again, maybe you don't know how it's connected, but the second part, you see how it switches? Its originality is still divided. It's totally different version. And so we can, again, try to predict it. We need an adjective for the second part. So it should be and delightful, right? That's the adjective. That matches up with frustrating. And we need that same format because of its originality. And again, the only one that has this same structure is with the and. Hopefully you could recognize it's joined by and because at once implies contrast. You don't have a but. But the parallel structure, very heavily tested, number 11 in this question. And the answer is D. All right. See you next time. Thanks for watching.